Welcome, dear friends. This is English IELTS Coach channel. And once again, let me thank you all for watching my channel and encouraging me to come out with more and more videos. I'm excited to announce that today I'll be making a series of videos dealing with a few categories of essays which are likely to appear from February to April 2020. In today's lesson, I will teach you how to write an introduction to one such category, which is likely to appear in the next 3 months. So let's keep watching this video and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Now, as I said, I'm going to discuss and teach you how to write introductions to topics from the likeliest categories of essays, which may appear in February, March, and April 2020. And the category that I'm going to discuss today is, as you see, environment. I have chosen an essay topic for you. The topic is trying to save endangered animal species from extinction is a waste of valuable resources. Do you agree or disagree? Now, this topic may appear for academic as well as for general. So, this prediction is for both academic and general. And today, let's discuss this topic which comes in the category environment. As discussed in my previous videos, dear friends, if you have not watched those videos, I would strongly suggest you to go back to those previous videos and watch the first 3 steps in essay writing. So as we have discussed earlier, the first thing that you have to do is as soon as you read, identify the type of essay, whether it is here now the type of essay that is given is agree or disagree type. Next step is analyze the question, understand the meaning of the question, and then start your planning immediately on the question paper. So this takes about 3 minutes. This is a rough plan for you, which I have written for you. Now, as you see, I will state my opinion clearly in the introduction. And my opinion is protecting endangered species is not a waste. I disagree. And then I will have 2 separate body paragraphs. And the body paragraphs will start with the main idea. As you see, I have marked the main idea in blue. And the first body paragraph, the main idea is wildlife or the endangered species is important. Whatever species it is important to maintain balance in nature. Now, this is my main idea and why it is important. I will ask questions, WH questions. You may have noticed I have discussed the importance of WH questions in my previous videos. So these WH questions have to be asked to the main idea, and then you will have to explain the main idea with supporting details. If you ask the question here, why is it important? You will see that if wildlife is not protected, if endangered species is not conserved, then it will have a negative impact on nature, on the environment. It will lead to a disruption in the food chain and altering of the habitat of animals. And when the natural habitat of animals is altered, then it will result in serious disasters. Like, for example, rabbits in Australia, they have been invading farmers' crops. They have been making a nuisance, and it has resulted in a lot of serious losses there. So you can even give this example of rabbits in Australia. So here, this is my first body paragraph. Let's move on to the second now. The second body paragraph also, I have begun with the main idea. As I told you, you always should begin with the main idea and then give the supporting details. So here the main idea is life has intrinsic value. Whatever life it is, be it wildlife or human life, it has got intrinsic value. So let's begin with this main idea. And regardless of any factors, life should be preserved. This is my first supporting detail here. And since we human beings are basically responsible for destroying the animal habitats, it is our responsibility to conserve them, to protect them. And here we can give the example of Philippines. The Philippines government has recently introduced a law wherein the university students need to plant trees and protect them in order to, it's a part of their university education. So here I have 2 separate body paragraphs and I have stated my opinion clearly, and this is my body, this is the body of the essay, the blueprint, the rough draft. Now, as soon as I finish doing this, I'll move on. I had taught you in the previous videos to use your templates. I'll show you how to use the templates, but before that, let's have a look at the entire structure of the introduction. So as you are already aware, you have to begin the introduction with a paraphrase of the question, then clearly state your opinion and mention the main ideas. This is the structure of the introduction. So let's And as I taught you in the previous videos, how to use templates for introduction. I had told you that you should make some templates, general templates, which will come quickly to you when you're writing your introduction. So how to make those templates I have dealt with in my previous lesson. So you can go back to that lesson and see how to use and how to form the templates. Now, here in my bank, I have got 3 templates which I have prepared for any general introduction. So depending on the type of the essay, I'll be using the templates. Now here I've got 3 main templates which I'm going to use for this introduction. As you see, the first one is the issue of whether we should dash is certainly a contentious one. So I'll fill the content as per the topic. Now my second template is despite the arguments of some people that dash, it is my personal belief that dash. Again, fill the content as per the topic. Now, let's move on to the third one. Dash of the principal reasons for this are as follows. Again, you have to fill the content as per the topic. So I've prepared 3 templates for this introduction. These are general templates. Now, according to the content of the topic, I'm going to fill in the blanks here. Let's see how I've done that. Here I have got the full introduction for you, and this is based on the templates. The issue of whether we should attempt to save endangered species from extinction or not is certainly a contentious one. Thus, I have filled in the blanks using the template that I showed you in the previous slide. Now, despite the arguments of some people that such animals serve no useful purpose, it is my personal belief that they should in fact be preserved. I have stated my opinion clearly. Again, I have used the second template which I showed you just now here for the second sentence. And now if you see, 2 of the principal reasons for this are as follows. Here you have to give a brief hint of the main ideas that you are going to use. So you're going to use 2 main ideas in the body paragraphs, and you have hinted at that. 2 of the principal reasons for this are as follows, and these principal reasons you are going to explain in the body paragraph. So this is my entire introduction now. And as you know, as you see, we have used the templates for this, and this is the most easiest and the most effective method for you to write your introduction. So let's move on here. Now what remains is to write the body of the essay. The essential factors to be noted while writing the body of the essay is you have to learn how to begin your paragraph with the main idea, and then you should use topic specific vocabulary. Now here we are discussing environment, so we have to use vocabulary on environment. And so here again, some work needs to be done on your part. You have to make a list of 10 words for each category. So today's topic is environment. So what we need to do here is we need some 10 words which will be readily available with us when we write the topic. So in my next video, dear friends, I will be discussing some topic specific vocabulary for environment. So I hope this was very clear to you all and you enjoyed watching this video, and this will be of great use to you and for all the candidates who are appearing for IELTS exam in the next 3 months. So have a nice time and all the best to you. Wish you a great day.